Hello, everyone. I'm here with Aaron Murphy, a registered massage therapist in Hampton, who has very kindly agreed to answer a few questions for me based on entrepreneurship. To start, can you give me a brief interview of what you do and what led you to discover your passion?
Okay, sure. Well, most people know what massage therapists are basically about, whether it's relaxation or if you have like an actual issue going on. It's usually part of a treatment plan. So if you have a really sore shoulder or sore neck or something or back, you might go see your doctor or a physiotherapist. Massage therapist can be part of that as well. I work with people and just trying to restore health to their tissues, like their muscle and whatever, and you work with some joints and flexibility and mobility like that. So yeah, that's basically what I do. How I got into it, I guess I'll try to keep that short, but I've always been interested in, like athletic things and working out. I used to actually do a little professional wrestling.
Yeah,
which
I've
was
heard
really
about
fun.
that.
Yeah, stuff like that. And so, and I guess I've been interested in even how the body works. Like once you get into weightlifting, you understand body mechanics, stuff like that. I took a personal trainer course actually here at Lifestyles, and thought maybe that would be something I'd be interested in. But then really thought about going back to school. And massage therapy was a course that kind of wasn't like years and years. It was only a 2-year course. And I knew I'd be working with people and helping them get some good education, and it fit within my kind of time restraints and schedule. And it's been going good ever since.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Hampton is a very small town. How has this affected business?
Well, I think any business, it takes a while for a business to get off the ground. Yeah. A smaller town could mean less of a client base, but there's less probably therapists in Hampton per capita, like compared to like a city like St. John, where you have a lot more people, but there's a lot more people looking for work. So I don't think that's really been too much of a factor. It's just, again, more so just takes time to build a business. Yeah. And once you establish like a client base and clientele, then people are willing to travel. I do have clients that come from Sussex, St. John, Quispan, not just the Hampton area. So,
that's pretty far to travel for sure, but you're good at what you do, right?
I guess so.
Every business has its obstacles when they start or whatever, right, as they continue to grow. What is one notable obstacle you were able to overcome?
Okay. Well, again, I think it's just whatever business you're in, it's just people getting to know who you are. In this business, there has to be a lot of trust between a client and a therapist. Yeah. They can be fairly vulnerable when they come to you. So that takes some time, especially even as a male in this profession. Yeah, it's a little trickier. But I've been very fortunate to have people that have known me already to come, and then they refer. And, people's word is the best advertising ever.
Yeah, I agree, yeah. All right, so to finish, do you have any advice for soon-to-be entrepreneurs?
I would say whatever you're interested in, make sure you talk to people that are already doing it. That's what I did when I decided to do this on my own. I went around to other therapists that I knew, and just got as much information as I could from them, learn from their mistakes and whatever, anything they pass on. And also just look for networking opportunities. So for me, it was pretty cool that, I was able to set up a clinic room in a gym. So a place that was really all about health and wellness. So it's a health and wellness center, looking for other practitioners, and so we can kind of work off each other like that.
Perfect. Awesome. Thank you for the time, Aaron. I really appreciate it.
No problem. My pleasure. All right.